The OXO Good Grip SimplyTear Paper Towel Holder is a reliable and sturdy addition to any kitchen or workplace. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this paper towel holder offers both durability and a sleek, professional appearance. Its silver and black color scheme adds a touch of modern elegance to any space. The combination of stainless steel and the contrasting black accents creates a visually appealing design that fits seamlessly into any decor. With its floor-mounting type, this paper towel holder stays securely in place, preventing any accidental spills or messes. Whether you're using it in your kitchen, bathroom, or workshop, you can trust that it will remain stable and functional. Despite its solid construction, the OXO Good Grip SimplyTear paper towel holder is surprisingly lightweight at just 1.2 pounds. This makes it easy to move and reposition as needed without any hassle. Measuring at 12.99 inches in length and 7.09 inches in width, the product dimensions